Nice, impressive size book. The pages which are not glossy, so you cannot really get glared by these pages when you're studying anywhere. So far 332 pages. Oh, I like that first image. Oh, it's an exciting book. Linda Water has written a Danish garden history. Oh. So, English cottage garden. Ellen Allingham, William Robinson. That's the history of it. Oh, I like that. Cottage garden inspiration. I have to go through paging. Completely a paging of this book. Look at how many lovely pictures it has. Every page has at least one large image. Oh, this is full of inspiration. I think that I will enjoy reading this. Full of ideas. How many pages in total? $334 so far. 336. Amazing book, and it's so soft to the touch. Although the pages are thick, but they're not stiff. Oh, that's an inviting book. I like to read this book.